But first, we're now getting a preliminary look at who could be called to the stand when Alec Baldwin goes to trial in July.
John Cardinelli joins us now. So how many people are on the state's list to possibly testify?
Well, Darlene and Doug, in total, the state has put 32 names on their witness list. Most of them were people who worked on the set of Rust. Baldwin's team has only put one on their list. We will likely be seeing many of the same faces in court when Alec Baldwin goes to trial.
That's just the state just being cautious, the prosecutors just being cautious, putting every name on there.
But there are some new names, including Rust armor Hannah Gutierrez-Reed. However, it's not likely we'll hear from her in court. After a jury found Gutierrez-Reed guilty of involuntary manslaughter, her attorney, Jason Bowles, said he'll appeal.
The chief point that we are going to appeal is the jury instruction issue. We felt like this case, the way the jury instructions were worded, became more of a civil negligence case.
KOAT legal expert John Day explains how that appeal could affect her testifying.
All that her defense lawyers have to do is file a timely appeal within the time that's allowed for appealing a conviction. And if they do that, then there's no way that she can be forced to testify.
As for Baldwin's lawyers, they've only included Assistant Director Dave Halls. Halls pled to a misdemeanor for the death of Helena Hutchins. During court, he claimed Gutierrez-Reed gave the gun to Baldwin, when police reports said he did.
Ms. Gutierrez just took a few steps and gave the gun to Mr. Baldwin.
Day says the defense will try and establish through their witnesses that the person responsible has already been convicted.
Not surprising that Dave Halls would be on there, and anyone else who pointed the finger at Hannah Gutierrez-Reed.
And Day says it is important to remember that more names will be added to the lists. However, this does give a good indication of what types of witnesses both sides will be adding. I'm John Cardinelli reporting, KOAT Action 7 News.